Okay, this is a LEBLOND-MAKINO 15 by 54 engine lathe, new in 1995. It's got inch-metric threading. It has an 1800 RPM spindle, 40 to 1800, 3-jaw chuck, buck chuck, Analam 2-axis digital readout. We have a Harding Surgeon 5C collet chuck, a dog plate, a bunch of collets with it. We're going to run it for you. 7.5 horsepower spindle. We're running the spindle right now. You can barely even hear it run.
654.
Okay. We're running the cross feed.
Yeah.
Digital, you can see the digital going there. Nice. Inch-metric digital readout, by the way. That's the longitudinal feed. Okay. You engage in your half nut, now you're threading. You also have a thread dial indicator. You got hardened and ground insertable bedways. That's reverse. Brake. Oscillating spindle. You can run a low RPM right now. That's 40. Yep, that's the lowest. 45 RPM is the lowest. There you go. Very nice. Very nice. $95 RPM. Reverse. 256. $500 or $494 or something like that? Yep. Yep. Going up above 1,000 to 1282. 1282 RPM. Again, you can stop or start the spindle from there or from the pad. 1800 RPM. Super quiet.
Brake. Change gears.
Should change gears. Okay. I'm going to shoot the inside of the electrical cabinet for you. It's hopefully nice and clean in there. You can see that it says 1995 on the transformer. I'll shoot the serial number for you. Okay. Again, thank you for watching the video. Have a nice day.